In this video, I will show you how to make any website multilingual by adding this simple button that is going to instantly translate your website to any language that you want to add here. As you can see, this website that was once in English is now in Spanish, and with just the click of a button, let's translate this to Italian. This is going to work for pretty much any language in the world. As you can see, we have hundreds and hundreds of different languages that we can translate into. And with that being said, let's now jump in. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. So now that we are signed up to Elfsight, we can scroll through and we can see that we have access to all of the widgets that are available with Elfsight. Now, the widget that we are specifically looking for is the translation widget. So if we go up to the top of the page to this search widgets bar, this saves a lot of time over scrolling through everything. We can go in, and if we just type in translator, we can see the website translator widget is now going to appear. So we can click into the website translator widget, and now we can choose the template that we would like to use. So choose the template that you like the look of the best. I'm just going to go for the standard square flag drop down right here. And once your template is selected, we can click continue with this template. From here, we can now select which languages you would like to add in here and allow people to translate your website into. So we can click on add language, and in here we can search for any language. So in this website, let's add some French. We can also go ahead and add some Italian. And let's also add some German as well. Perfect. These are the 5 languages that I'm going to use on my website. We can even test this out inside of the editor right here by clicking on Spanish. And just like that, we can see this text is instantly going to translate. From here, we can then go over to design and we can play around with the style of this, which of these buttons we like the best. So I'm just going to stick with this one. We can then go to the background color and we can choose the background color for this button if we would like to have one. We can also choose the border color if we would like to add a border color. We can choose the text color, the widget size right here, the corner radius, and a few other things. We can also go over to the settings and we can choose if we want this embedded on the website or floating in the top corner that looks something like this. I think this is a much better way to go about it. We can also choose the position of this, so whereabouts on the website this shows up. And I think the top right is the best place for this. Once we have this set up, we have all of our languages added and it looks how we would like it to look. All we then have to do is click on publish in this top right corner. And Elfsight is going to take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that you go for depends on how many monthly website views you get. So you can see we have different plans for these. And of course, we also have this free plan for if you have a smaller website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. Once you have selected your plan, Elfsight is then going to give us a piece of code. And this is the code that we are going to use to embed the translator onto your website. So all we need to do is click on copy code and then open up your WordPress website in the editor. And then all we have to do is click on this plus icon and in this search bar, search for HTML. We then drag the custom HTML element anywhere on the website. It really doesn't matter because this is not going to be visible. And then we just paste in the code that we just copied. As I said, this code right here is not going to be visible on the website and it is just going to be replaced with the translator widget. So to show you this, we can click on save and then we can open up the website preview. And just like this, the translator has now been added. So we can click down and let's say we want to translate to French. And just like that, the website is now translated to French. So that is how you can add a translator to your WordPress website and get a multilingual site.